Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing a fun and delicious Halloween treat, pumpkin empanadillas. We're presenting this recipe in a new and easy way, making it simple to follow along without needing to be in the kitchen. Let's get started with the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 package of pre-made pie dough, 1 beaten egg for the egg wash, and a mixture of sugar and cinnamon for sprinkling. To begin, prepare the pumpkin filling. In a medium bowl, combine the pumpkin puree, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, salt, and flour. Mix everything until it's fully blended. The flour helps thicken the filling, so it holds its shape during baking. Now let's work on the dough. Roll out the pie dough on a lightly floured surface, making sure it's thin enough to handle, but not too thin. Using a round cutter or a glass, cut out circles from the dough. These will form the base and top of your empanadillas. Next, spoon a small amount of the pumpkin filling into the center of each dough circle. Be careful not to overfill, as this will make it harder to seal them properly. Fold the dough over to form a half-moon shape and press the edges together to seal. Use a fork to crimp the edges for a neat finish. Once your empanadillas are assembled, brush the tops with the beaten egg. This gives them a beautiful golden color as they bake. After that, sprinkle a bit of sugar and cinnamon over the tops to enhance the flavor and give them a nice crunch. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and place the empanadillas on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and the filling is bubbling slightly. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes on a wire rack. This cooling step makes them easier to handle and allows the filling to set. Once they've cooled, your Halloween pumpkin empanadillas are ready to be served. They're perfect for Halloween parties or as a special fall dessert. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and let us know how your empanadillas turned out. See you in the next video.